Hello folks, today I wanted to talk about brick veneer. Brick veneer is actually a brick that we have on the outside of our homes and all our newer homes. That veneer just means like a glorified siding. But what I wanted to share with you here is when moisture gets in behind here, this actually will start deteriorating. The wall behind it, our straps that actually holds us together will start to rust away. When it does that, then it starts to slip away, and you can see literally my brick is slipping away. See how it is? It's slipping. You can see right there that it's coming away from the wall, and this is and literally sooner or later, if it's not corrected, you can see you see how my caulk is right there. You see how it's moved over here, and here you can see how much it's moved. You can literally see how much it's already fell, and you follow it on down. Well, this is a sure sign that you got some moisture issues, and you got to take care of this. Hey, I hope this has been beneficial. You see this, you got a problem. Thanks, folks. Thank you for watching us.